everybody, it's me again. Yes, we have got a lovely new supplier in the shop. This is, haha, got her anyway. By the way, everyone will get used to me, I'm a bit of a bitch sometimes. This is Carmen from
Le Petit Bondi.
Le Petit Bondi. I'm going to learn this one and hopefully I won't bugger up like I have done with Kath. Sorry, Kath. Now, she has got an awesome range. Oh, look at these little pillows. We got rockets and spaceships. Now, I'm not terribly great on the prices. Now, what are they made of, Cam?
Made of Australian merino wool.
I
So
love
totally
it.
baby safe.
That is what we all like to hear. And they are, well, just a little bit different, aren't they? So they're not quite your normal. Look, you niches are peeking up over the top. Now they are in a variety of prices. Now because they are such beautifully displayed and we've had a bit of fun putting them up there, Carmen, what's your sort of price ranges of your products?
So my products go from about 15 for cupcakes up to 85 for the big rockets.
Ah, lovely. Now, let's go find some cupcakes. Oh, by the way, she's brought in some lovely blankets. And these are, they are seriously so soft. And we've also got some baby cot sheets. I didn't say shits. I'm doing well. We've also got, these are the little cupcakes. Now I have put them in our toy range. So we've got some of our Sassy Pop stuff here. But just below it, of course, we've got our teacup set that everyone comes and plays with. That is the display one, guys. So if you did want to buy it, there is the teacup set at the bottom. But these are the little cupcakes. Now they do come with the silicone ones. And of course, they're all the merino wool again. Woohoo! Now you can buy them in the set of 6 or individually, and they are super soft. And I'm sure that all the girls and boys, my little boy loves playing cups and food, which will be great for the coffee apple when he gets a bit older and when I actually get the shop. Yeah, it just makes for a really fun time at Christmas and a bit of play. And it's good. Pretend play is wonderful. We have a lot of fun here with pretend play. We've got our hammers and all sorts of different things. And we've got some more Appleberry stock in the shop as well. And we are coming up for our Christmas market. So please don't forget the Christmas market. And do come down and visit us and say hello. And there is Ruth with my little man. And she's hiding. I know, she's very good. She's used to it now. Alright guys, I will talk to you all later. But of course, do head over to their Facebook page. I will make sure that I will put a link on our page as well. So you can go in and check out more of their range. Do you have an online shop, Carmen?
I do.
Yep, she does have an online shop. And I know that she also goes to markets. So keep a watch out on markets. And yeah, of course, any questions at all, just give us a hoy. Talk to you guys later. Bye.